So this is the Black Widow full system, which I bought in two parts. I bought the downpipes about a year ago. I've just recently, within the last, I think it was the last month, beginning of this month when I got my wages, I bought the link pipe and the oval silencer, and I've taken the baffles out. I've not taken the little blanking plate off, put the baffles back in, and I'll just start it up. Sounds okay, and is road legal because it's just not an MOT, so that's fine. Anyway, the Black Widow like to have these videos on their channel, so I thought I'd make this showing the pipe. It's I quite like it. It's and it's for a Bandit 1200, the end can, so you do get the performance that you need. You can go and buy other silencers, but you know this one's actually designed for the Bandit. Anyway, that's enough waffle.